train 75.
Train 75?
Yes, we're gonna take this train out of service from El Monica. Somebody took on the lead car really bad.
Okay, 75, offload your passengers right there.
Okay, thanks.
Operative Vogel.
Train 41 at signal 1030.
In service starting at Elmo. The car that you're going to be trading with, 75, is offloading right there because it's a biohazard.
Copy, I'll start servicing right now. I mean, is it my time to be out there?
You got to wait till 75 pulls out.
Yeah, I'm going to follow right behind 75 then.
I was a little confused there. You can go ahead and store your car, and you said that's 324. Let's go put it on 4 Baker.
4 Baker, copy. And train 75, the lady that I think is over there by the west side of the platform, and maybe the supervisor can talk to her about she's looked really sick here. I mean, there. Maybe she needs some medical attention or something. She's her eye copy.
Thank you. 1910.
Train 41.
$27.
Seven at the East Roadway.
Hi. I want to make sure I told you to put that on 4 Baker.
That was affirmative, 4 Baker.
Thank you. 1911.
Train 41.
$95.20.
9520.
Coming through, no medical requested. Her husband's coming to pick her up.
Thank you, 9520. 1911. $27. What's your cab? You in the A or B end?
27, that would be the B end.
Thank you. 1912.
2075. Affirmative. Over here, almost to the yard limit. The new set of cars that I'm going to take is you need to move out of the way so I can pull into the yard.
So you reverse back into the yard?
I'm over here at right at the signal 1030.
I didn't ask you to reverse back into the yard. Why did you do that?
Because you told me offload. So I thought I was going to take this car back to the yard.
Operator that is filling for you right now. 41?
1030. Train 41.
Train 41, I'm going to need you to pull back.
I copy. I'll be pulling back.
$75.
75.
What's your exact location?
I'm right here by the switches into the yard, right before the 10:30.
Dalton, did anyone give you permission to reverse back into the yard?
Negative. I was trying to get out of the way.
I need you to get back into your other cab and get back up on the platform.
Okay, copy.
41, stay where you are.
41, copy.
Train 75, you offloaded?
Train 3.
Train 75? $75. Train 75?
Train 75.
Yeah, go over to the yard channel, please, for me.
Move complete 4 Bravo.
27, 1915. Train 75, you here on the yard channel? Are you on the yard channel?
Affirmative.
Dalton, how did you get into the yard with 41 at 10:30?
I called my signal, and I got my signal. I didn't trip. And the reason I tried to get out of the way was because the tube is right at the door in my shaft, and it's pink over here.
Send that, Dalton, but I did not ask you to reverse back in. All I asked you to do was offload. I have a train sitting at 10:30. We could have had a head-on.
Well, I didn't pull right into the thing. I saw the train when I was going around, and I stopped.
Yeah, it's still, that's not a good thing, Dalton. I need you back. Let me know when you're back on the platform.
$75, I'm ready on the platform.
Nine 520.
20178.
Yeah, I need a sit and download on 75. 67, it's going to be a couple of minutes.
67.
20, can we get him out of the way? I'll do it in the yard or whatever.
No, I have a train at 10:30 waiting to come out to pick up those people waiting on the platform.
Okay. You want me to run it to 185th or something?
No, I need you to do a fit and download on 75 and let me know if he's fit for duty.
Well, I can let you know that he's fit. I just talked to him.
Okay, I need you to do a download.
Okay, copy.
Let me know when it's done, please.
Train 75. Train 75. From Wilmington. Is there anyone in the Sunwell? We're going to cross you over to Willow Creek. Copy that. Train 67, cancel your signal. Thank you. Train 75, you ready to go? Train 75, affirmative. 91 on the thumb wheel. Call your signal. Train 75. Train 75. I do not show a call on for you. I did call it. Okay, I'll call it again. Supervisor isn't board. Want me to still move the train? 95. 9520. You want to ride up to Willow Creek with the operator back, please?
Okay, I got a download. I'll go up and ride with him.
You're clear to proceed. Put your call on.
41, copy. Do you show my call on?
Affirmative. 75 isn't out of the circuit yet. It'll be just a second.
Okay, copy. One.
You're clear. Put your call on.
Nine 9901.
9901.
I've notified 9905. He'll be in communication with you and is en route to the area. As soon as you get a minute, will you give me a call on the next cell, please?
Affirmative. Train 76. Will be out of your way in just a minute. There's a Congo line in front of you.
Copy, thanks.
Train 75. Willow Creek. Eastbound. You're clear select back to Monica and then into the yard. Copy. Nine 9511. I'm going to be on the security channel. Copy. Train 67, release. 67, go ahead and call your signal, and I'll get back to you. We'll be out of your way in just a minute, 76. What's your operator number?
Well, that'll be operator 830 and signed in. Got my train orders.
Have a great rest of your day. We've got clear track.
It's everything.
You're welcome. 1928. Attack 20. 9520. I need you to finish bringing the train in the yard.
Okay. Train 75, permission to call the yard.
Affirmative.
Copy. Train 75, yard limit.
Three Edward Frank.
Copy, 3 Edward Frank.